Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. On the workbench this week, I have completed my scrap mosaic that I made from leftover pieces from the fountain. Mainly I had pinks, blues, and some greens. Some of the greens I had to cut from new glass, and then I added some mirror and baubles in there and beads. But I've already grouted it in white, and now this week I am going to paint the grout so that it reads better overall. And it's time for me to get started on my community mosaic project that begins soon. I've already made 3 mandala templates, and now I just need to fine tune them, prep the materials, and make sure I have enough glass for each part. And I'd really like to work on some pendants this week, just to have something very satisfying that I can finish. I'm not sure which ones or how many I'll do, but I also have this little pill box that I just picked up in Otto, North Carolina. So maybe do some of those. This mosaic was influenced by some beautiful angelique tulips I had growing in my yard with some creeping purple iris in the background and cherry blossom petals that fell on the ground and added more pink to the scene. So I really wanted to capture that in a mosaic, and this is it. After I designed these on my iPad, I had them printed out at a blueprint shop. So this one is actually 36 by 36, and I can see now that it's to scale some of the things that I may need to change. And one of them is that I don't like how busy this center is. I think it needs to simplify it. The swirls are kind of cool, but they are just too tight as far as that design is concerned. And then this one is mostly going to be blue. It's the biggest one. And then I have this one, which is 30-inch in diameter. And on both of these, I don't know what I was doing on the computer, but it cut off the edges, and I need them to be exact. So I'm going to have to go back and fiddle with that and make sure that it's perfect before I go back to the blueprint shop and have them printed again. This is the 24-inch one. And everything looks good on these two. I think I'll keep the design. I just need to make sure that they fit on the dimensions that are required. So using this program on my iPad, I can change the shape. And I think I've decided I like that. And I can change the number. So I'm going to change it from 6 to 12. And then I can also change the distance from the center and the size. So I want them to be pretty solid. I can also change the thickness of the border, but I like how thick that is. So I am going to make them just a little bit tighter. That looks good. I'm thinking it's just a little bit too flowery, so I'm going to maybe change the shape. I think I like that one better. I'll fiddle around with it till I like it. All right, so I just got back from the blueprint shop again. This is the new copy. This is the one that got cut off. So take that one out. This is the old one with the swirls. This is the new one with the petals. So I've got the 3, and then I printed these smaller because I'm going to color code these, and the bigger ones got cut off, so toss the bigger ones. And now we're getting somewhere. Piece. This tiny little shard. Each one of these mandalas, and I have pulled some of the glass colors so I get a feel for what I'm working with, and then I did a little math and calculated how many square feet. So this one, the green one, is about 5 square feet. I have more than 5 square feet of glass, but that doesn't mean I have enough of each color, so I kind of have to estimate that. And then this purple one here is 3.14 square feet. And the blue one out here is 7.07 square feet. So quite a bit larger. I like the idea of having 3 designs, and I can have multiple teams working, a few people on each one. But some of these blues are just incredibly gorgeous. This one up here is the same glass. This is one side, this is the iridized side. So I can't wait to use some, and I have some mirrored glass. I'm gonna put some teals in here, but I'm gonna also put the teals in the green one. I am also placing the frit balls that I made in some different areas of the design as sort of a starting point, because I'm limited on the number of frit balls. So here's the blue, here's the green, and here's the purple. I didn't have very much fusible purple, so kind of going with a small area on that one. But I think that's my good starting point for now. this one already, and I ended up making 5 more. One that was just pink because I'm kind of in pink mode. And then I just have those in the pink one, and then I decided to make one as a gift for someone who's graduating. She used to be one of my students, and so I thought that'd make a nice gift. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.